Hello everyone, my name is Asim and this is a short introduction to what we are going to learn. We are going to learn a grocery delivery app or you can say a clone of Zepto or Blinkit. So basically, it's a teaser or demo video. A complete video covering every screen in detail will be released by the end of the Feb. In this video, I'm demonstrating the splash and login screen for both Zepto and Blinkit with the ability to switch themes between both of them. Okay, so I have refreshed. This is a splash screen of Blinkit and this is a login screen. Okay, so I landed in the login screen of Blinkit and we have a smooth animation. I just type and think you can see a smooth animation for the keyboard, and between I'm going to switch between both of them like Zepto or Blinkit. We have a constant file, so let me change the theme name. So right now we are using the theme of Blanket, and now I'm going to change the theme with Zepto. So when I change with Zepto theme, you can see, boom, we have now the blank Zepto login page. And let me refresh. This is a splash screen and this is the login screen for Zepto. See how cool it is. So if you want to learn with me, please make sure to subscribe for more updates and learn together. Have a good day. Good night. Thank you.